Just a carer, that's what they say. Just washing and making tea all day. That's not a job, just to wipe bums. Easy work, nothing hard to get done. But what they don't see behind a door, a carer, a professional, and so much more. A counsellor, a friend, to wipe away their tears, to be strong and supportive, to end all their fears. The job is hard and you challenge each day, dodging the punches and hurtful wordplay. But a smile and a hug, all rewards of their own. The best job I've had is the place they call home. Just a carer, that's only a word. My job is more than what you've heard. An advisor, a coach, so much more than what you see. It's a blessing and an honour to take care of your family. Just a carer. No, that's not me. I'm an angel in scrubs, serving the tea. Wiping your tears, being your friend, your loved one's guide, until the very end.